Omelet? You getting ready for church? So what do you do? How old are you? 10? And you make your own omelet. This is the Kids Network Cooking Channel. Did you get burned? Did you ever get burned?
Sometimes. When I first cooked.
And she makes chicken Alfredo also. I watched her make it.
Hallelujah. Nie pisz na plaży. To nie kamacje teraz tu miły. Sana